Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to log out from linked devices on WhatsApp. Friends, due to some reason we sometimes log in our WhatsApp on unknown devices which we should log out after finishing our work. So to log out linked devices, you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. In your WhatsApp app, you need to press on the three dots and here you need to press on linked devices. Here you will find the complete list of devices on which your WhatsApp is logged in. So in my case, my WhatsApp is logged in Google Chrome. So to log out from this device, I simply need to press on this device name and here I need to press on log out. Friends, as you can see, we have logged out from our linked device. So friends, like this you can very easily log out from linked devices in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.